Today I want to share with you how to make these two creams that are amazing for expression lines and the little wrinkles that start to form. It's super moisturizing. It's one of the best ways to stimulate natural collagen. Look at this texture.
Do you see this?
You have no idea how amazing this cream is. Try it, especially the first one I'm sharing with you for your face. And the second one I'm sharing is spectacular. For example, if you have cracked heels or very dry feet, you're going to love it. You'll see the difference from the very first day.
Alright, without further ado,
I'll show you. It's affordable and easy to make.
the properties of garlic are impressive. It's a very valuable ingredient in anti-aging care. Don't worry, none of the creams will smell like garlic. Garlic contains vitamins A, B1, B2, B3, B6, B7, C, E, and minerals. It contains allicin, a compound that inhibits the process of wrinkle formation and helps reduce existing wrinkles. It has an anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antifungal effect on the skin. We put the garlic cloves in a small pot and add a cup of water, 200 milliliters. We cook for 7 to 10 minutes after it starts boiling. When they're tender, they're ready. We're going to blend them together with the water. Garlic effectively reduces the appearance of wrinkles on the face, neck, and hands. We're going to strain the garlic mixture with a fine strainer. The properties and benefits of garlic have been used for hundreds of years. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch and mix well. Cook the mixture over low heat. Enjoy your meal. Stir until we get a creamy and smooth mixture. We're going to make 2 creams. We separate it into 2 parts. To one of them, add a teaspoon of almond oil and a teaspoon of aloe gel. You can buy this at pharmacies, or you can also use natural aloe gel. Optionally, you can add 3 drops of rose essential oil or whichever you prefer. Mix all the ingredients very well. And place it in a glass container. Please comment if you already knew about this ancient cream and share your thoughts. I'll be watching your responses closely. This cream lasts up to 7 days in the refrigerator. You can apply it to the skin on your face, neck and hands. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash your skin. And from the first week, you'll already be able to see the results. You'll notice your skin is softer and smoother from the very first moment. Thank you. Now we'll prepare the second cream with a teaspoon of calendula oil and a teaspoon of honey. We mix all the ingredients very well. We put it in a jar and we can store it in the fridge for 7 days. You can also apply this cream to your face, neck, hands, even around your eyes. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash your skin with warm water. I hope
With all my heart.
that you really like this cream. The first one we made can be done with or without essential oils. If you don't add essential oils, you can also use it around the eye area. It's excellent, you're going to love it, and it's extremely affordable.
Well, I'm saying goodbye. I just put the cream on again.
It's beautiful.
It's wonderful. So, I hope you really like it, that you share it, that you subscribe to the channel. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. And of course, leave your comments and suggestions. Tell me what you thought of this video. Please share it. That way, you help the channel. And this way, these kinds of natural remedies also spread.
Super affordable and excellent.
Kisses. See you next time. Bye.